Hi, team. Want to get some time back in your day for doing social posting, social media posting? Stay with me a minute. I'll show you a trick to the trade. So I am in Presto, our CRM, and what I'm going to do is pick all my social accounts for this example. I'm going to go here to YouTube, and I'm going to grab my description, copy, and paste. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. This is a little bit repetitive. I need to do that for having success in getting my video found on YouTube. I'm going to grab my video link. I'm going to drop it in here. And then we're going to want our hashtags. And literally, always pick your title. Let's do a copy. We'll do paste. Let's do a couple of alternatives. Email deliverability. And let's clean up that spelling. That's a freebie for y'all. And let's just leave it like that. There could be others. We could also upload an image or create one through AI. But I happen to have mine that I downloaded. And you should see it in just a second. Okay, so you see it there. A call to action is necessary on Google My Business. So let's kind of copy our URL. And we're going to call it a Learn More. And we're going to hit that. And we are going to either post it now, or you see there's three choices. We can post it now. We can schedule it. We can post it for approval, like if you've got somebody who needs to sign off, or recurring post. I think I'm going to do this one as a recurring post. Most people ask me a lot about this. So let's hit recurring post with the picture. Let's do this every 4 days. And we're going to do it from the 5th through, let's say, through June 19th. There we go. Confirm. And we're going to pick a time. 4 p.m. is fine by me. So I'm going to hit the schedule. And it's going to show up on my planner. That's how easy it is. So if you found value in this, please share this with somebody you know. Please comment and please subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to get our free gifts. They're in the description below. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.